in India. This is located at a prime location which is very near to the airport Babatpur, Varanasi, and near to the different districts like Jaunpur, Banaras, Azamgarh. This institute run 3 courses, BTech courses: civil engineering, mechanical engineering and information technology. All the laboratories in the institutes are well equipped and the faculty members are well qualified from NIT and IIT. I hope the students who will take the admission in this institute will enjoy their life in the campus as well as create a good opportunity for global market after completing the BTech.
Dear students, parents and community members, it's a great opportunity to introduce my institute, Rajki Engineering College, Azamgarh, to you. This is a very prominent technical institute in Azamgarh which offers BTech program in 3 disciplines: civil, mechanical and information technology. I am very fortunate that I am working here in this environment where you can see the rural settings, but you can see the state-of-the-art laboratories and exceptional faculty members. Our faculty members are trained from leading institutions, IITs, NITs, IIMs, and they are doing very great things in their research work, project work and assignments. They are contributing a lot for the overall development of the students. In terms of the students' facilities, we have a dedicated student facility. We have the boys hostel and girls hostel inside the campus. For power backup supply, we have the generator and the uninterrupted power supply from UP Corporation. We have a very beautiful state-of-the-art gym inside the campus. We have campus-wide Wi-Fi network in which the students have the unlimited data to use the internet and use these things in their regular academic work. We have badminton court, volleyball court inside the campus. We have also, in terms of entrepreneurship development, we have a dedicated incubation center for these activities. And we organize regular programs for the development of the students so that they can be the job provider rather than job seeker. The institute is very much committed to serve the society and we are very much leading to that path. So we have to make this institution a world class and make the students ready for the industry. Thank you very much.
Welcome to all. I am Dr. Anup Narayan Singh, Head of the Department, Civil Engineering, Rajki Engineering College, Azamgarh. I have done MTech and PhD from IIT and I have more than 15 years of experience. We are very lucky that we are having a very good and important engineering college in this area, which is opened by Uttar Pradesh government. This college, in particular, Civil Engineering Department, is having very educated faculty members which have done their studies from IIT and NIT. You can check the profiles of all the faculty members from our official website www.gecazamgarh.ac.in. I would love to share that we have very good lab facilities and infrastructure. Our labs and equipments are at par with IITs and NITs. Now I would like to take you for a virtual tour of our labs, equipments and infrastructure.